अब यो क्वेशनको सोलुसन गर्नलाई यसको सोलुसन गर्दा तिमी यो गिवन छ नि x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इक्वल टु 3 टु द पावर 2/3 प्लस 3 टु द पावर माइनस 2/3 यसबाट स्टार्ट गरेर यो सो दैट भनेको कुरा निकालेपछि यो कम्प्लिट हुन्छ है वी स्टार्ट फ्रम दिस गिवन expression given equation and then we find out this equation then it is shown or it is proved right so take it first of all x square plus 2 equal to 3 to the power 2/3 plus 3 to the power minus 2/3 अब यो क्वेशन बाट यो गिवन बाट यो शो गर्नलाई यो कुरा निकाल्नलाई हामी थोरै यहाँ एउटा ट्रिक लगाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ फर्स्ट अफ अल we bring these two to the right side and put it between these two terms so that a formula will be made there look here or x square equal to 3 to the power 2/3 minus 2 plus 3 to the power minus 2/3 can we write like this. This plus 2 is taken to the right side and written minus 2 and kept between these two terms. When we do this, here is made a formula. Can you see a formula here? If you see carefully, if you see from this term to this term, keeping these two in the middle, you can find a formula there. Can you find a formula there? Let me wait. Right side मा formula बनेको छ अथवा बनाउन सकिन्छ. Can you see that formula there?
Yes, sir.
So what formula is made there? Can you say?
A minus B whole square.
A minus B whole square means there should be A square minus 2AB plus B square. Are you confirm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So others, Kusum, do you see? Sirija says that there is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Kusum? Aswin? Aswin, can you see formula there?
No.
No? You cannot see?
No.
Yes, I will tell now. अब म भन्छु है ल हेर x square keep it same. Look, can we write this 3 to the power 2/3 like this? 3 to the power 1/3 whole square. Can we write like this? Look, 3 to the power 2/3 can be written 3 to the power 1/3 whole square or not? And this can be written 3 to the power minus 1/3 whole square. Look, यसले a square को काम गर्यो. A is 3 to the power 1/3. 3 to the power 1/3 a भयो. यतापटि 3 to the power minus 1/3 के भयो? b भयो. अनि यसले a square को काम गर्यो. यो टर्मले b square को काम गर्यो. हामीलाई बीचमा के चाहियो? 2ab चाहियो. So 2 is there. A is 3 to the power 1/3 and B is 3 to the power minus 1/3. ल हेर त बीचमा 2ab पनि बन्यो. तर यहाँनिर हेर्नुपर्ने के हुन्छ? यहाँ माथि 2 मात्रै थियो यो दुईटा टर्मको बीचमा. तर यहाँ त यत्रो धेरै कुरा लेखियो नि. कसरी यो फर्मुला बन्यो होला?
3 to the power to दुईटाको प्लस गरिन्छ त्यहाँ माइनस भएको भएर त्यो कट भएर 1 1 भयो. अब 2 multiply 1 into multiply त 2 मात्र हुन्छ.
Yes, yes, C is right. Look, यहाँनिर बीचमा हामीले लेखेको 2 को पछाडी a b टर्महरु के छ त भन्दा a is 3 to the power 1 by 3 and b is 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. अब यो त सेम बेस भयो हेर त 3 is same base. When there are same base and multiply sign between them, we can write single base and add the powers together. हैन 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 गर्दाखेरि 3 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. It means these two terms 3 to the power 1 by 3 and 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 actually make 1. And so this is 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 itself. So this is same. This number, this value is equal to this value. There is nothing extra written, it means. And so a square minus 2ab plus b square value. Correct. So if there is formula, then write down the formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square gives a square minus 2ab plus b square gives a minus b whole square. So what is a here? What is a here? 3 to the power 1 by 3 is a. 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus what is b? 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole square. Look, this formula is applied in this step. Now look at the left side. X has 2 power and this all base, taking this all is base, this base also has 2 power. Both sides there is same power. Then what can be done? Power can be removed or cancelled, we can think. Right? Or x is equal to 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. Only this can be written. अब एकचोटी चेक गर त क्वेशन नम्बर a b and c. a b र c मा यही कुरा गिवन मा छ हेर त त्यहाँ मैले अघि भनेको थिएँ नि यो क्वेशन जान्यो भने a b c पनि जानिन्छ किनभने यसको सोलुसनको बीचबाट बल्ल a b c स्टार्ट हुन्छ भनेको थिएँ. डु यु रिमेम्बर? यो किन भनेको त भन्दा यही भयो कि ल x equal to 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. In question number B, 10 को B मा हेर त ठ्याक्कै क्वेशन यही छ हैन त. So question number 10B starts from here now. अब यो भन्दा पछाडीको स्टेपहरु जे गरिन्छ त्यो 10B मा 10A मा अनि C मा पनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ अब यो भन्दा पछाडीको स्टेपहरु मात्रै गरे हुन्छ. यो एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप्सहरु भयो. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी डु? अब यहाँनिर हामीले सो गर्ने ठाउँमा सो दैट भनेको ठाउँमा के छ हेर त 3x³ छ. x को पावर 3 छ है. x is in q power. So we do cubing on both sides of this equation. Now cubing on both sides, we get what we get. x लाई क्यूबिङ गर्दा x³ भयो अनि यतापटि क्यूब राख्दाखेरि यो सबैको होल क्यूब गरेर राख्नु पर्छ, छुटा छुटी राख्नु हुँदैन है. This all expression is taken as single expression and its cube power 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Do you understand? Your expression like cubing गरियो. Now look at the right side of this equation. You can find the formula there again. What formula can you see here? One of you say.
A minus B whole cube.
A minus B whole cube. What is A?
3 to the power 1 by 3.
3 to the power 1 by 3 is A, and 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 is B.
B.
A minus B whole cube रहेछ यहाँनिर। अब फेरि A minus B whole cube को फर्मुला सम्झिनु पर्ने भयो। गौरव, what are you doing? A minus B whole cube को फर्मुला सम्झिनु पर्ने भयो। अब यसको पनि दुईटा फर्मुला थियो। त्यो ब्राकेट वाला फर्मुला छ नि, एकचोटी म दुईटै फर्मुला यहाँनिर देखाउँछु। A minus B whole cube. We have two formula for this. One is AQ minus B square B plus 3AB square minus BQ. This is one. And another, we keep just AQ minus BQ together. And from these two terms, 3AB is taken as common, and it comes like this. The formula contains हैन तिमीहरुलाई? Okay, so we use that second formula. After this, यो second मा use भएको A minus B whole cube equal to AQ minus BQ minus 3AB into A minus B. We use this formula. अब यो फर्मुला युज गरेर लेख्दा के बन्छ हेरौँ त? Or x cube equal to, what is A? 3 to the power 1 by 3 is A. So when we write AQ, this becomes 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole cube minus BQ. B is this, 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Now minus 3 into A is 3 to the power 1 by 3 into B is 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 bracket, look, AQ minus BQ minus 3AB bracket, inside bracket we write A minus B. A minus B means 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1. Look, बुझ्या छ फर्मुला एप्लाई गरेको? सबले बुझ्यौ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now we are coming in the middle of solution now. If the steps after this are very simple now. अब यसपछि एकदमै सिम्पल छ। अब लगभग सोलुसन को धेरै पार्ट गरिसकियो, अप्ठ्यारो गाह्रो जस्तो लाग्ने पार्ट गरिसकियो। अब एकदमै सजिलो छ। ल, keep this x cube same. I go this side now. X cube is equal to 3 power 1 by 3 whole cube. What comes from here? This 3 and this 3 can be cancelled. Only 3 is remaining there. At 3 to the power 1 is remaining. 1 power not necessary to write. So only 3 can be written. Minus, look at this, 3 power minus 1 by 3 cube. When 3 is cancelled with 3, then minus 1 is remaining there. 3 to the power minus 1, it must be written. Positive 1 power is not necessary to write, but negative 1 power, minus 1 power must be written. Right? 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1. अनि अब ब्रैकेट में यो इसको पालो छ अब minus, look here, 3 into 3 power 1 by 3 into 3 power minus 1 by 3. अघि नै हामीले यो 3 power 1 by 3 र 3 power minus 1 by 3 बाट यो दुईटाबाट 1 आएको अघि नै हेरेको है त. So we can write 1 in place of these two. Okay na? यो 3 to the power 1/3 into 3 to the power minus 1/3 यसबाट 1 आउँछ भन्ने कुरा अघि हेरिसकियो कसैलाई कन्फ्युजन छ we get 1 from these two terms does anyone has confusion
No, sir.
okay so we write like this यो 3 छुट्टै भयो यो 3 छुट्टै भयो यो दुईटाबाट के आयो 1 आयो 3 into 1 into look inside the bracket bracket भित्र के छ 3 power 1/3 minus 3 power minus 1/3 रहेछ यो भनेको त x को भ्यालु को रहेछ हैन त लुक 3 to the power 1/3 minus 3 to the power minus 1/3 यो के को भ्यालु हो भन्दा x को भ्यालु हो so in place of this all x can be written हैन त so here comes x बुझ्यो यो स्टेप अश्विन प्रशांत
Yes, sir.
सुशांत everybody हाय बोलेको
Yes, sir.
Ashwin I want to hear Ashwin
Yes, sir.
okay good and then Nilesh are you there Nilesh छैन क्या okay now look if anyone has confusion in any step you can ask कतै नबुझेको केही कुरा छ भने सोधिहाल है अब टाइम फेरि सकिन लागेको छ धेरै टाइम बाँकी छैन हामीसँग 5 मिनेट जति होला or x cube equal to 3 minus how can we write this 3 to the power minus 1 यो भनेको a to the power minus m यो जब भयो भने 1 upon a to the power m गरेर लेखे जस्तै हैन we apply this rule a to the power minus 1 a to the power minus m can be written 1 upon a to the power m we apply this rule so when we apply this rule what comes here 1 upon 3 minus this is 3x we are very near to the completion of this solution now अब एकदम सकिने बेला भइसक्यो हामी यो निकालेपछि सकिन्छ हैन लगभग आउँदै छ हेर त x क्यू आइसक्यो अब यो कुराहरु कसरी आउँछ होला त हेर त यहाँबाट x क्यू अब यो त फ्र्याक्सन भयो यहाँ त हैन 1/3 दिस इज अ फ्र्याक्सन हुने बित्तिकै के गर्नु पर्यो एलसीएम लिनु पर्यो ओके so LCM is 3 now this 3 and 3 should be multiplied can I write 9 directly मैले यहाँनिर 9 सिधै लेखे भने बुझ्छौ
Yes, sir.
minus 1 is written same minus this 3x into 3 becomes 9x ल है आउँदै छ है ल now cross multiply this 3 with x cube you will get 3x cube 9 minus 1 gives you 8 and minus 9x look अब यतापटि 0 निकाल्नु पर्ने छ राइट साइडमा सो राइट साइडमा भएको सबै टर्म लेफ्टमा लैजाम र यो डिसेन्डिङ पावर अफ x मा राख्दाखेरि 3x क्यूब छ अनि त्यसपछि यो 9x राख्ने अनि 8 लाई लास्टमा 3x क्यूब minus 9x becomes plus 9x and 8 becomes minus 8 equal to 0.
क्यूब होला नि अहिले स्क्वायर लेख्नु भयो
Yes, you are right. Thank you. 3x cube plus 9x minus 8 equal to 0. Hence, we have come to the solution. So that भनेको कुरा के थियो यदि यस्तो हुन्छ भने यसबाट यस्तो आउँछ भनेर देखाऊ भनेको हो कि क्वेशनले यसबाट सुरु गरेर हामी यस्तो निकालेर देखाए हैन thus it is so it is proved लेख्न पनि सक्छौ it is verified भनेर लेख्न पनि सक्छौ ओके कसैले कहीँनिर नबुझेको छ यो सोलुसनमा अशिला
Yes, sir.
छ नबुझेको छ कि
No, sir.
प्रियंका your video is off Rohit why did you switch off your video Ruchit